This video will talk about angles and circles. Given an angle and a circle, there are many ways in which they can interact and overlap with each other. If you drag the angle so that it lies inside the circle with the vertex on the circle, you have created an inscribed angle. If you move the angle so its vertex lines up with the center of the circle, then it's called a central angle. And lastly, if the angle is placed so that the vertex lies outside the circle and the sides are tangent to the circle, the angle is a circumscribed angle. Another way to compare the angles is to look at the vertex. For inscribed angles, the vertex lies on the perimeter of the circle and the angle goes through the circle. For a central angle, the vertex lies at the center of the circle. And for a circumscribed angle, the vertex lies outside the circle and the sides of the angle are tangents to the circle. Try the following problem. The diagram shows circle P. List all of the angles that are inscribed angles, central angles, and circumscribed angles. Inscribed angles have their vertex on the circle and cross the inside of the circle. This means that angle AEB is an inscribed angle. Central angles have their vertex on the center of the circle. This means that angle APB is a central angle. Are there any other central angles? Angle EPA is a central angle as well. And circumscribed angles have the vertex outside the circle and the sides are tangents of the circle. So angle AHE is a circumscribed angle. Let's try another problem. The diagram shows circle D. Classify the following angles as inscribed angles, central angles, or circumscribed angles. Start with ADC. Notice that its vertex is at the center of the circle and it lies inside the circle. So this must be a central angle. Angle AEC has its vertex outside of the circle, and notice that both of its sides are tangent to the circle. They only touch in one point. So this is a circumscribed angle. And lastly, angle ABC has its vertex on the circle, and it also lies on the inside of the circle. So this one is an inscribed angle. In review, inscribed angles, central angles, and circumscribed angles refer to the placement of an angle with relation to a circle. Good luck!